Ladies and gentlemen, we are hiring full times this times, and we are looking for people who are looking for jobs. If you are looking for jobs which such as nice jobs, and you want to work or you want to volunteer, but right here in my office here, if you look from here to there, okay, from this office here, okay, these are all company there logos you can choose from. If you want this one here, that is also good for your advertisement. We already advertise the company, and this is the name of the company there, this, okay. And if you want the logo, that is one of the logo design. We have Z shape there, and then we have the other one here, and we also scroll down here, we have the other one here, the brown one here. And how to get this logo here, there, that is also there, me there. And how to get these logos for your advertisement, for anything, maybe for your t-shirt, and then for your badge, for starting badge, okay. And then for brand like this one here, this is your desk. And then for banner like this one here, the banner you are seeing here, that is the banner there, okay. So, and this one here, how do you want to put them, and how do you want to print them out for your office? If you have a studio, you are working in the studio, you are a YouTuber, or you are non-YouTuber, and you hire someone on your studios. And if someone want it to work from home, okay, you want to use these logos we have here, and you want to work from home, and how do you want to work it? So it's available here. We have the logos online. You go Facebooks, and then you slice Zistron Finance Bank, this bank on Facebook. You'll be able to see this image. And then you go to Twister, also the same. You slice Twister, Zistron Finance Bank, and then link Zistron Finance Bank, and then you go to Google .com/Zistron Finance Bank, this bank, and then you will be able to see these logos, okay. You'll be able to see them there. We have them there. We put them there on my profile, Zistron Finance Bank. We have it there. And then if now you reach to that image, okay, let's say this is your laptop here. And if this is your laptop, this is your mouse. You can see the mouse is blinking there, right? So on the mouse here, we call it left click and right click. Left click and right click on the mouse. This is the mouse here. So this is the mouse, this is a mouse. If this is a mouse, you have the mouse on your keyboard. And then this is what they call right click, okay. You hold the mouse like this. The mouse, you hold it like that with your hand, okay. This line here you are seeing is right click. If I point it like this, okay, right click, okay, this is right there, this is right right click, right click, right, this is right there, you can see right. And then this one here is left, they call it left click, okay. This side here of the mouse you're seeing here is left. So if it's left, and then you click it, and then you will be able to see a drop down list which is say save as the image, save as image, okay. And then it will open your computer file, and then you save the file, the record to your computer. And then when you save it there, you either save it to your USB, and then you take it to this one, to where they are printing the name, pages, such kind of banners, and which one you can take it there. Those guys, they can design it. I don't know how much they will cost you. So if they cost you how much, I don't know. It range from your city to city where you're printing the cases, or you use your home printer. And to do that is also simple, but that is how it works. So if that is what you want, and that is as easy as 1 2 3, Okay, so it's very easy, steps by steps. If you want, that is what you are looking for. It's very easy. Okay, so you can access them anywhere. If you want for your city mall hold, you want to promote it there, it's also easy. You want it for your business card, it's easy. You want it for anything, it's very easy. But no boss here. I'm not the boss. Nobody is a boss here. So no boss for this image which I show you there. For these company logos, no boss. You are the boss. If you started the job, you are the boss. Nobody come and ask you. That is yourself. Self-employed, you have your full confidence. You can start what days and what hours you want to stop the jobs. You want it for 1 hour, for 30 minutes, for 10 minutes, for 5 minutes. You do it with the video presentation, is all fine. Okay, but how tedious and non-tedious, I don't know. And how much you want to make it viral, it depends on you. And if it come to budget, the budget come to you, there is all your budgets. Okay, so your own managements, you manage it as a company. But what make it good here is this one. You cannot hide it, the company. You cannot hide it when you are using. Okay, make sure you make the copyright policies going. People should know. Vero should know. Everybody should know. If you have it there in Africa, anywhere in USA, anywhere in Australia, anywhere in Canada, anywhere in Brazil, Asia, wherever you have it there, you show them. Yeah, I have the badge, I have that one. I have the T-shirt of it. I have a pocket size of it. I have a pen of it, a book of it, a book like this, because this is the book you are managing, a book of it, and then you have it on your books. All those labels has every portional part of this logo has, and the design they are there. We have 5 design here to choose from. So these five, and then with the Z's is compulsory. You cannot leave it away. So the other one there, the three side, which is a Z along there, has a 3 kind of categories, and then you can choose from. And is all compulsory. Also, you can negotiate amount of them. And if you want plain without the end of this kind of uh, other pictures on this without the advertisement, you want plain, we have the plain also there. Okay, all you have to go with the my Facebook files. You go Zistone Finance Bank, this bank, and then on Facebook or link or Twitter, and then you begin checking the files. You open the file from one picture to the other. You look a lot of pictures, because we put every pictures there uh, way back last year. So you have to raw them away like this. You check which design is good for you, and then from there you place your mouse, which we show you there, and then you place it there on the picture. And then like this, if it show you the drop down on your left, they showed you on the picture, and then save as, and then you save the image to your computer. From there you copy the image to your computers, and then you have the reserved copy there, and then you take it to your computer. From your computer to your USB, maybe you download it, or direct to the USB down to your computer, and then from there you take it to where you want to print it. If it will go to Microsoft for print out, and then you open Microsoft files there. You open the Microsoft files, and then you go uh, insert photos. This photo from USB, or insert photos from direct from your computer, which as you save there, and then there they open to your Microsoft account, and then there you have the files, and then from there the file you resize it to the printable size. If you want it as a business card, you print as many business card as you want. If you can afford a business card, for badge you can print as much as you want. If you want it as just a Microsoft size, and then you print it out, and then you take it to where you take it to anywhere like this, you design it, or you use the sticker one, and then you remove the sticker, you put it on your wall. They can also go on your wall right away on anything, and then you begin the jobs. That's how the work start. That's how I started working here. I work here for more than now 10 years, okay, for 13 years now on the row here, as is the Stone Finance Bank and this bank. That's roughly 18 years on the row. Okay, so being 18 years on the row as the Stone Finance Bank, this bank, I have my strategies laid out. I never gone broke, and I've never even got hungry here. I usually eat normally. I usually sleep normally. I usually tackle my enemies normals. I never pray normals. I never even skip disease, even anything. So just navigating every portion of the report that come around, and then I earn my money, I earn anything, and then because I'm very busy and I'm working and developing, and this company here will have more level to take again, and if you want, we will take it to another level again, and then there again you get that to that level, and then to that level, and then to that level till they become really what they need meant to be. And then otherwise, ladies and gentlemen, let me not waste your time very much. That's the least we have for these strategies. And if you are looking really for the jobs, this is really the jobs. You follow these links on Facebooks, you follow this link on Google's, you follow this link on Twitter, and then you follow this link on link.com, and then you slash this from Finance Bank, this bank. Okay, there, and then, or you just type and then my name. But if you feel you want to get to this one to Facebooks, and then you have problems getting to Facebooks because you don't have Facebook account, and then of course they're gonna ask you to join the Ziston Finance Bank or to follow Ziston Finance Bank, then to be able to view the files, to be able to get the photos. Okay, we are not lying. Sometimes they have that tricky and restricted cases there, and then they're gonna say, have an email account ready, and then join Facebooks or join Twitter or join Link, and then you'll be able to see those photos, and then you'll be able to talk to us, and then you'll be able to check, okay, and then begin work. So it's a long durations, but I guess with Google is a very easy durations, but mostly nice pictures like this Google Google file will hide all of them. That is only you go with the Instagram. Facebook is like Instagram. They have your pictures like this. Even they won't hide it. Anything of you they won't hide it. That's why we're using Facebook, Twitter, link as an Instagram page to get your pictures there, and then to get anything of yours shared, and then to be able to get the print out layout. Okay, but if you want with Google's, they will have some of these photos, and then they get it very dirty. Someone get it already dirty, and then they are not looking good there. You won't fall interested. And if you want really clear like this, as I open here, that is you can also email, and then if you email me, and then I will be able to send you the original copy like this. That is more original copies. I will send you original copy like this one on your email, and then if they reach on to your email, and then you click here, something like that will you touch the photos like that on your iPhone, and then something view will open up, and then if you view open up, and then you enlarge the photos, and then from enlarging the photo, you have something there called drop down from this line here. The line is like that there. Okay, the line is there. You can see this line here, this three line there, and then from that three line you will be able to touch it. You touch it, and then you see the drop down list, save as. Okay, save as is there, and then you save all, or you save the file. Do to your computer or to your iPhone, and then from there they become personal part of your iPhone, and then from there, if that happened, now you are able to now copy and paste from one Microsoft idea to the other, and then have your printout original logos on your seats. Okay, on your paper sheets like this, you're gonna be able to see on your paper sheet like this. You're gonna have a paper sheet like this. You're gonna have a business card. You're gonna have anything you want to design. You have it with the Microsoft. If your computer has Microsoft capabilities, you are easy to work with us. If you don't have, that is very complicated, of course. It will make the business very complicated. You need to have Microsoft, and then or you need to have different several kind of files. I don't know which has insert capabilities, of course. Of course, is the image and is a company logos. Of course, you need to work with all those related files, because otherwise, where are you going to print them? That's why you need to have Microsoft Word experience, and then Excel experience, and then you need to have PowerPoint experience, or any of those associated as Microsoft. If you don't have experience with that, you need to get one experience, and then you need to do so. And then before you waste the file, or before the file, you just detain the files, and then the file gonna be useless to use, and then there's gonna be a waste there. You're gonna waste a lot of times waiting, how am I gonna begin printing? Because to print you need Microsoft Word, and then you need Excel, and then you need any of those files to print, because they have the capability of insert files, or you can only work online with your website. You build a website using the name, also you help the company growing. That is also one way of working the companies. Or if that's not the situations, and then you build a team. Okay, you build a team, and then you work with the team. You use it as a meeting. Okay, that is also another alternative. If you are using as a meeting, then by now will be necessities, badges and others will be necessities, ladies and gentlemen. Otherwise, by me, Wayne Hassan, as is it on.